Hi, welcome back to my one question tutorials about Twitter. Today we are going to continue on how to improve our tweets. And today we're going to make them a little bit more interactive. We are going to add a poll, but we are going to look at it on the computer. So here we are on my computer. How do we add a poll? Well, let's hit tweet, and down here at the bottom, the third little icon, which is a bar graph, says poll. So let's click that. We have to write our questions. Which holiday is your favorite? And let's start. Choice 1, Thanksgiving. Choice 2, Christmas. Now I can add up to 4 alternative answers. So here we picking Easter. And for the fourth one, I say other and in parentheses answer in reply. I can set the length of my poll in number of days, hours, and minutes. And here you have who can reply, in this case everybody, but by clicking there I can change that. And now let's tweet this. And this is how it looks on my side. But let's change to another account of mine, a Swedish fika. And here you can see at the top there is my post. Which holiday is your favorite? And this is how it looks on everybody else's side. So I can pick one here, and my favorite of these is Christmas. So I click that, and now you can see one vote, 23 hours left, and 100% of that one vote is for Christmas. Let's go back to my profile and take a look at how it looks on my side. As you can see, I just see these results in the gray format. I can retweet this or share it somewhere if I want to share this, maybe on my Facebook page or something, if I want more answers. And then we have analytics. And here I will see how many votes there is. And in this case, it's only 1. So this is a great way to make your tweets more interesting and interactive. I hope you will try it sometime. Hej då!